Anybody out there that is a truck driver, they understand. Being out at the truck stops all the time, we pay high costs for mostly junk food, fast foods, greasy foods. Every once in a while we'll get a restaurant, but not always. I am doing a series of cooking on the truck with Jeff, and I'm just showing you, here's some items. Here I've got the hot pot. I got that from the truck stop. It's about $20-30. Then also I got the Brentwood electric grill and panini maker. I'll be showing you guys how to make meals, grilled foods, different types, all different types, seafood, beef, pork, stir fry style food, stuff like that. Also, I wanted to show you, all you need is a spatula, some knives. You might want a spoon, one of the serving spoons. Here's the hot pot for your water. Within a few minutes it boils the water. This is actually awesome because you can use it to boil water for soups, for rice, for your coffee, for your tea, any warm drinks. And also it has a cup right in the lid, and it goes maybe 10-20 minutes tops, and it's boiling hot, not just warm, boiling hot. I really like this one. I use it for my coffee. I make my instant coffee. Then, like I said, the Brentwood electric griddle. It's kind of like a Foreman. You can get whatever type you want. That one, it cost me out the door, it was less than $28 at the truck, and that was at the truck stop. In mind, you will need, for this item, you will need, it has a regular household plug. It's a 750 watt output, so you're going to want an inverter that is more than 700 watts. Also, my wife had got me this online, I believe, off of Amazon. It's a crock pot. It's a little different than the ones that you see at the truck stops. It's elongated and it's shallow. It's a 1 quart. What I like about this one is you can stack them, and this type is actually a professional style that you can use for catering. A lot of caterers use it, and these are just basic items that you could be using to make meals on the truck. We have limited space on our trucks, and if you stop at a Walmart for less than $50, you can have the accommodations of food anywhere upwards of 5 to 7 days worth of food with $50 to $75, depending on your taste, the spices, everything that you want. You just got to remember, you're the chef, so it's going to be at your taste buds, not everybody else's. So you get to choose what spices you have. But what I'll be doing is I'll be showing you some recipes. I'll be showing you how to cook food on the truck that is convenient for you, that is healthy, and that is a better choice for you. And it all depends on what size you want. You can end up making foods that you're only paying maybe $10 to $20 worth of food, and it could be 3 to 6 days worth of food. And I'm going to be showing you that in some of my videos. And I will be starting out with a series of sausages, salmon, showing you how to grill salmon, how to have rice meals, how to have any of the stir fries, any of the paninis, grilled cheese. I mean, all of that stuff I can show you. I've got years of experience working as a professional cook. I've got more than 10 years. I've been trained by 2 different chefs a chef here in the United States that went to Johnson & Wales Culinary School, one of the best in the country. And also I have been hand trained by a chef from Germany that went to the Universitat of Frankfurt, Germany. Yes, I was stationed in the military over in Germany, and so yes, I do know a little bit of German, not much. But I do know the culture, I know the foods. I'm going to show you guys how to make all different types of foods, not just certain foods, but all different types of foods. I hope that this video is interesting to you. If you liked it, please push the like button, subscribe button, and notification button so that you can get notified for more videos. And I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.